My father started the company 50 years ago, Dennis Marshall. I've worked for the company for 40 years. I started when I was 15 years old, worked in the warehouse for 7 years, and continued in purchasing, and then I took over as president October 1st after my father had passed away.
Dennis laid the groundwork with Tina, set her up really well, and she's letting us do what we need to do. We're always consulting, we're always working together to get things done, and we can make things happen ASAP, the way Dennis liked it. If I can put the best product out there, that's my job. That's my job, that's my department's job, and that's what we seek to do. We all have the same mentality. If there is a problem in a unit, we see it when we're doing a teardown, and there's an improvement necessary, whether it be a compound or a structural difference, we're going to do that. We're going to make the difference, and we're going to make sure we make everybody aware of what we did, why we did it, and how to work with it.
I worked for Dennis since 1976. He was my boss, he was my friend, he was like a father to me. There was a lot of things that he was that I'll never forget. Part of the reason why I've stayed so long is because of the company that he built here and the things that he has instilled in all the employees. John Salazzo, Vice President of Sales and Marketing at Precision International. Been working for Precision International since 1976. So at this point, I'm the longest termed, I don't say the oldest, the longest termed employee for the company. Now my current job is responsible for all the sales that the company does and making sure that the salespeople are doing their jobs. Precision has grown in a number of ways. It's just our market share. I mean, flat out numbers thing. Our market share has grown 6 or 7-fold in the last 4 or 5 years. Something I'm very proud of, something the whole company is very proud of. And we just do it with hard work. I mean, that's what it is. It's just us doing our jobs, expanding our market, and taking care of our customers. That's always been what we've tried to do through the years.
The culture of Precision International, there's not a lot of big egos. We all work together. We have approximately 190 employees. Like I say, they've all been here. They all know their jobs. They all love their work, and it shows. It shows. The company has grown astronomically since when I first came here. I told them, listen, Dennis, I know all about mechanical things, maybe not automatic transmissions, but I can rebuild engines, do all that. But manufacturing, we're going to have to learn as we go. He said to me, Frank, so let's give it a year. Well, it's been 35 years.
My biggest strengths as working with my father for 40 years is I have 3 daughters. 2 of them are working with us at Precision, and by raising my daughters, I have learned the aspect of what is important in life and strive to continue to make my family proud and continue my dad's legacy. We go out and source and buy new machinery that we need for our QC department. We're currently in the process of building a new building as we expand our growth. Precision's main goal is to be competitive, on-time delivery, and continue to make our customers happy.
Even though the company has been around, we're still learning our way. One of the things that was a great benefit for us was ISO 9000. We took that to heart. We made our own quality system. We didn't hire a consultant. We didn't ask anybody to do it for us. We sat down and made our quality system. In doing that, we took ownership of it, and it's a very important part of our processes here today. It really helps us govern the company. It helps me figure out where the company's at, where our processes are at, and it shows because the company has grown so much.
Have we reached our peak? I don't think so, but I know we're climbing to the top because, you know, we're a force to be reckoned with, and I feel that we are still being aggressive. Believe me, John, as much as John could rest on his laurels right now, what to do, he is not.
You know, where I see ourselves in 5 years is continuing to gain market share and grow the business, and follow the path that we've set out. It's been successful, and there's no reason for that to change.
Sometimes we're like family. There's arguments. There's there's heated discussions, but we get things done, and we know how to get things done. And we all have a common goal.
So where we're going to be in the future, I think we're going to be here. We're training people, bringing people along. This is a business that we do have a lot of younger employees, people in their 40s and 50s we can call on. We're training. So I think we will be able to put a management team in place. Tina's a lot younger than me, so she's not going anywhere anytime soon. So we're working on putting a people in place to keep the company moving forward.